What's up guys, my name is Delso Claudio and today I'm here to teach you about how to increase or boost traffic to your blog or website and actually make money. So I came up with this website with the idea of generate traffic to your blogger or website. But something that you really understand, if you use AdSense in your website or your blog, you don't have to use this website to straight generate traffic to your blog or website. The thing that I do to generate more traffic to my blog and website, I direct the traffic from this website to a social network. But the social network that I use and is very useful for generate traffic to your website and blog is the Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network based on images. The people used to see those images and straight click on that images. And you can, once you have a profile in the Pinterest, you can make posts and link those posts as you can see this post. And once you make those posts, you can link those posts to your blog. This is my blog or your website, and this is another post that I have made. And once the people click on those posts, it's gonna be I open the post, and if you hit click again, it's gonna direct the people to your website or your blog that you use to link that images. So why actually you need to use these to generate traffic to your Pinterest? You need to use this website to generate traffic to your Pinterest because this one gonna allow your Pinterest to have more traffic. And once you have more traffic in Pinterest, you're gonna have more followers in your Pinterest. And once you have more followers in your Pinterest, you're gonna have more clicks on your images. And once you have more clicks from your images, you're gonna have people in your blog or website. This is the idea that I came with, and I really hope to be helpful for you. And if you like the video, please subscribe in my channel, and maybe if you got doubt in something, you can actually leave a comment, and I'm gonna help you out. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.